Online video is emerging as a new way to reach students and engage with their learning, and lots of teachers are doing it. But how do you get started? Our South by Southwest EDU workshop, Making Educational Videos Teacher-Created Content, will give you the skills and tools you need to start making your own educational videos to supplement material covered in your classroom, or to branch out and start teaching to a wider online audience. Workshop stations will provide hands-on experience with pre-production, camera equipment, and editing software. Additionally, you'll learn how to present whiteboard teaching and demonstrations on screen, as well as the crucial final step, how to upload your videos to YouTube. The link to our panel picker proposal for this workshop is down in the video description. Please check out the entire proposal and then vote to give us a thumbs up so that we're able to come to South by Southwest EDU to teach more teachers how to make online video content. The Making Educational Videos Teacher-Created Content workshop will be led by 3 educators with years of experience on YouTube, and here are a few examples of our work.
This is the Oregon State University drumline.
You might have heard that heat rises, and that's true. When you heat a material, solid, liquid, or gas, you're adding energy to the molecules in that material.
So we're here at the Corvallis.
So imagine a line that's going from our nose to the back of our head. And we're going to label that the x-axis.
Specifically, we engage in selective attention by choosing certain stimuli in the environment to process while ignoring the rest.
And they can dock onto receptors on the next cell. And when they do, this triggers an electrical signal in that next cell. And the antidepressants that we are going to be talking about today
Blind them and make them unable to find food, shelter, or mates. Blinded by the light.
You work with the gardening program through the 4-H Capital, right? So you've brought a demo for us. What exactly are we going to do?
So we're going to be planting who'd made systematic phenological observations of plants all over Belgium. But why do I think you should